Hi friends, Dave here with Transfer Express, and I want to show you how to group and ungroup artwork here using the Easy Prints layouts in the Easy View Online Designer. Now, of course, this artwork that we already have is layout KMS 210 that we used by just adding our layout here. This will also work on clip art or even text if you want to group and ungroup them or whatever while you're designing. This is going to help on out. So here with this layout, there are some elements that are together, like this clip art and these blocks here, but everything else is for the most part ungrouped. So if we wanted to make sure that if we were grabbing it and just pulling things around, that we wanted everything to stay together, you could select all of it, either by just dragging the mouse or going to Object, Select All, and selecting everything, and then going to Group or hitting Control G on your keyboard. And now, wherever I click on this artwork, everything is going to come with it. Now, for any reason, if we wanted to ungroup this to edit or change our design, we could just click ungroup, and now we have the controls to move everything individually again. Now, two of these elements that I mentioned earlier, the mountains, the trees, the sun, and these blocks are all together as well. So let's check to see if they're grouped. Let's just click on this object and we'll go on up here to the object menu and we can see that ungroup is available for us to use. So if we click ungroup, we now see that we could pull the sun away and we could pull the mountains away because they are ungrouped from this. So from this, we could even delete them just by clicking on the trash can here at the top and removing these elements from the design. Of course, we could bring everything back in and group it all back together. Now, the same thing here with these lines at the bottom. Here they are all together and we will move together. Or if we just go ungroup or hit Control U on your keyboard or Command if you're using a Mac, now we've ungrouped this artwork and could move these lines around if we wanted to change the spacing or anything. I mean, the sky's the limit with grouping and ungrouping. And once we're all set, we could group everything back together so we don't accidentally make any changes when we're moving this around and building our gang sheet here in EasyView Online Designer. And that's it. That's how grouping and ungrouping works.